with those challenges. Promoting cash-light society. So this is why we're promoting cash, this plastic money every day. Why are we doing that? Because we are saying we are earning money in pay slips, not in physical. That's the money remain in the RTGS realm. You earn your money through RTGS, but you are now going to the bank to get physical. At this university, I don't know which bank you bank with. All your salaries go through normal bank, the bank. And my tell some bank, they want to marry. They want to marry the RTGS. As my man ultra physical. That's not the problem. My brother from business, I'm happy that you are here. I want to just want to understand each other collectively. This is a place of higher academic of research and understanding. If the university fail to understand this basic philosophy, then I think they will have a problem. Then I'll come back. Until we all understand, because common understanding is very important. No, we don't want that. We want to all agree. What is the position? This is the position. So we are saying remain in the RTGS.